king wins, we are showing you the logic and the breakdown and why this bot gets in and out at the perfect time. So stick with me, because by the end of this video you will understand why emotional trading is dead and why AI driven trading is the future. Before we dive into trades, here's the deal. The bot reads structure, candlestick pressure and the volume. It doesn't just jump into blindly, it waits for the cleanest setup only. That means fewer bad entries, fewer losses and way more consistency. Now let's see it live in action. Starting balance $1,000. First trade coming up, the bot spotted a pullback into support, confirmed with bullish momentum. We are in, timer ticking. While we wait, this is where most traders mess up. They doubt themselves, close early or miss the entry altogether. But the AI, it doesn't hesitate, and look, just like that, boom, trade 1, clean win, balance already moving up. Next trade, resistance rejection, spotted price action is slowing down at a key level, bot execute instantly, and this is why it's powerful. It reacts in milliseconds, faster than any human could. And yes, another profit locked in. Balance climbing again, that's 2 for 2. Now let's scale up. The bot just flagged a breakout confirmation and replaced. Here's the breakdown. No guessing, no late entries, just pure data driven precision. And look at that, profit again. That's a 3-2 back to win. Balance is nearly doubled already. So what makes this bot a smarter entry bot? It's not just the signals, it's the fact that it learns from every trade, every win, every loss, every shift in the market behavior. That's how it keeps improving while humans repeat the same mistakes over and over. Let's run one final trade. Breakout pullback detected, entry locked. While this trade runs, let me remind you, emotional kill accounts. Fear and greed are why 90% of traders lose, and there it is. Another win, $1,000 flipped into nearly $2,400 in just a few trades. If you're tired of stressing over charts, second guessing your entries or blowing your account, this is your solution. Link in the description, demo access, hit subscribe if you want more AI trading breakdowns like this, and comment if you want me to show the exact coding logic behind the entries. This is PremiumTradingAlgo AI, the smartest way to trade. Let's go.